there it is. There it is, guys. B is for bed. So his mom helped him out, and it was right when we were starting this thing. So the Evora build is the biggest build that got me wanting to do more YouTube and actually kind of do stuff. So I went ahead and bought an Evora build, helping with merch to pay back his mom, since his mom's the bomb. So shout out with Chris's mom. The old key tag for my new shop keys, and this is what I really am excited for. There you have it. B is for build shop flag. So I'm definitely wanting to do a lot of stuff myself. We're working on this old Volkswagen, where B is for building it, doing it ourselves, doing it for our mom. And so this is awesome. Excited to put this up in the shop. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to day 10. Today, ignition, wiring, fuel, make it run. We'll see if we can get this thing to run today. So wish us luck. Make sure you stay tuned to this episode to see if it will run. Oh yeah. Alright guys, here it is, the electrical part. Hopefully this will turn on the vehicle. We'll do some electrical work. Stripped. Match these up. Nut 'em. 4. Don't know. Okay, we got wiring on. Figured out that's for headlights. So from a newer model steering rack. So we'll have to figure out what we're gonna do with that later. Might pull it through or not do anything. We'll see. So there's that. And we gotta fix something on this relay over here. And hopefully it will start for us. We gotta get fuel. We gotta attach the new, was it just the float? Put that in top.
It doesn't have to have that.
It don't. No.
That's just for the gauge. It could be. It'll be. But yeah.
And then we.
Did we get it in yet?
No. Yeah, it's over there.
Okay.
So let me mess with this relay. Whoa! Popping fuses. The perks of owning your own gas station. When you need fuel, you just get some. Gassing her up.
First gas being in, new tank.
Hopefully it's not leaking. Hopefully anything bad.
You won't be able to see it. It'll fill up underneath it first.
And run out of those holes.
Yeah.
New tank, new fuel, new gauge, new ignition. We're gonna see if this baby will turn over and run. Hose?
Yeah, I bet the hose is
Well, leaking fuel. We'll pull the tank and see what's leaking. Okay, so the fun leaky gasness. We're gonna prime it, see if it just gets run. Okay, ready? Hold on, choke's not on. Yep. Oh. Okay. Go ahead. Okay.
You want some more gasoline?
Okay, go. Yeah, we just need more gas.
Because these lines.
Holy
hooked up-
cow!
Sorry. Here, I'll dump some out.
Smalls. Find a hole. Yep. Hey, when it fires like that, let off. Okay, go ahead. Oh, keep going.
Knock the rim straight off of it.
I wondered what that was. Yeah, when's your carburetor getting here?
It's here.
Why isn't it on? We're fighting it! We're fighting it this whole time over a carburetor. It's freaking 2 bolts.
Yeah, that's not held on by anything.
We've been fighting a broken carburetor when he has one. And a fuel pump.
And everything. Yeah.
I need a flathead, like a 12. Minor details. It runs. Apparently the car's bad, but that's why I bought a new car. So we're gonna put it on real quick because apparently it's really easy. And there it is, new stuff. Yes, new car. The whole time. The whole time it's been. I was trying to plan for that event. Who's in charge of the flathead?
I swear I had one over here.
Oh, it's on the tire. On the other side. 1.5 inch.
open. Hold that. Come on, junk. That up back again. No, the hose.
Yeah, dude. Who's leaking? Oh, it's just in your way.
No one. Right.
Yeah, it's gonna move. Oh, that's what catch fire, and there it all goes. That's the place tonight.
Oh yeah.
Doing great.
Okay, put the battery back on and just turn the key to run. Oh yeah, we'll be able to run her for a second now. Okay, pour that in. Hold that up. Okay, I got the throttle, you get the key. Hold on.
Do you tighten,
Oh yeah.
do you tighten the bolts down?
Yep.
Okay.
Fire in the hole. Yep, right off. Oh, do it one more. Oh, keep going.
little carburetor work, little Sharky, we got the thing to run. Right, Adam? It runs.
Yes, it runs.
Yes.
That's all that matters.
Smoky bones, but we will figure out fuel, new lines, and fuel tanks so we can actually drive it. And then a fuel pump. Order a new fuel pump in, and hopefully that will solve all the running issues. And
Necessary overnight parts from Germany.
overnight parts from Germany. Yes.
Shipped by Hitler himself.
Alright, make sure you like and subscribe. Tune in. Till next time. Bye bye.